Hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and today I'm in the very sunny Protaras. It's 32 degrees. I'm going towards the Chrystalla Hotel, guys. We're having a total refurbishment, an extension and new swimming pools, I do believe, and it's really coming on. So it looks like we're coming towards the end of the project, guys. All the scaffolding's down. There's the forklift to carry up new furniture, I think. And if we carry on down, we can see the older rooms. I say older, guys, they look quite new to me. The whole building's been painted. Look, even the extension is now all painted. Doesn't it look bright and fresh? Look at those fantastic, enormous balconies. They are enormous, aren't they, guys? They've got 2 patio doors on most of the balconies. And then we've got the extension bit, and that's also got the patio doors fitted. Look, there we are. Inside looks nearly finished, guys. Right, let's go through to the pool area. Wow, look at this new floor. It's gorgeous. I love those tiles. So there's the swimming pool. That's the original swimming pool. That's waiting to be cleaned, guys. We've got a new pool bar. That's all tiled. Just finishing off the inside. Look up there. That's the extension, believe it or not. It's massive, isn't it, guys? It's all been painted. And here comes the brand new swimming pool. Look at this. Halfway through tiling. Or is it more or less tiled? Oh, it's more or less tiled, guys. There it is, all beautiful tiles. I love those tiles. Yep, looks like it's more or less tiled. Just got this bit over here and the end bit to finish off. Oh, it's got a jacuzzi area as well. Look over there. What a fantastic addition to the hotel. So we've got a separate swimming pool here with a jacuzzi area, and you can see the extension. Look, it's all whitewashed, all painted. The statues, guys, are over there. Do you remember the statues around the swimming pool area, around this area here? They're right in the corner. I wonder if they're going to reinstate those. They're really nice. I wouldn't mind them for my garden. They're beautiful, aren't they? Of course, the skips round the back, that's going to be taken away, and all the muck. The cleaners will be in a while. I think let the tiling finish and finish off all the little bits and pieces, and then get the cleaners in. So in my opinion, guys, hasn't got long to go till they finish. Oh, they've still got the columns at the end of the original swimming pool. Just noticed them, funny enough. I thought they took them away, but no, it's just the statues they had around the pool. I think they're going to reinstate them back in the original pool area. Still lots and lots of room round the pool areas, guys, to relax. And of course we've got that additional pool and jacuzzi now, so it's turning out to be a really nice place, isn't it? There's the original building down there, and this is the extension. You can see all the windows are in. Just a bit of glass to go in. And the pool bar, I think the pool bar at the back needs doing. We're probably going to put the granite tops at the back, you know, and some sort of fancy shelving. And that's that done. So we're back out in the car park area, the front of the building. I think they're waiting for the sign to turn up. You can see that. That's around the old reception area. Ah, there's the remainder of the pool tiles on that pallet. There we are. As you remember, guys, there was pallets and pallets of tiles out here and bricks and all sorts, and they've gone. They were around this area here. So yeah, just a bit of decorating, a bit of tiling to do, just finishing off really, and then they'll probably call in the cleaners give this place a right good clean up before the guests arrive. I think it's looking marvellous. They've done a really fabulous job, guys. Really great location, by the way, if anyone's staying here this year. It's right near Fig Tree Bay. Let me take you towards Fig Tree Bay. There, look, there's the old pallets left over. Probably take them away soon. Last of the bricks they haven't used. Right, let's head towards the Fig Tree Bay and have a look around. There's the public car park. There. Oh, there's a VW camper. Look at that. What a lovely old camper. Totally restored, I think. Right, let's go towards the beach. Right, I'm going to walk across the car park area. There is a pavement area where all the restaurants are. And it is a bank holiday weekend over here, guys. It's not Easter. No, it's Easter back at England, isn't it, guys? But it's not the Orthodox Easter at the moment. That's in about 4 weeks' time. But it is a bank holiday on Monday, so it's a bank holiday weekend. And Fig Tree Bay is up and running, reasonably busy. You can see all the umbrellas and all the sunbeds. Look at that, they're all out. All available for rental. Hello there. There's a couple more viewers. I'll go down there and say hello. It's flat calm today. Look at this, guys. Look out for the video. We attempted to go sailing yesterday and it was wavy. Every time we go sailing, something's wrong. Oh,
oops, sorry.
That's all right. Oh, let me take your name.
Hi, my name is Rafi.
Hello, Rafi. Nice to meet you. And this young lady?
My name is Maya.
Hiya, Maya. You're on holiday?
No, we live here.
Oh, you live here. So there we are, a couple more viewers, guys. And I was just saying, guys, that the skips have got to be taken away. And the skip lorry down there at the hotel's just arrived. Just going to go and get that massive skip that we came across. So there we are, even bank holiday they're working on that hotel, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little update of that amazing Chrystalla Hotel. I think it's going to be marvellous, don't you? I love that new swimming pool. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.